Hey guys, welcome back to Suji's cookbook. Today I am going to show how to make sambar. Let's go with procedure. Take a pressure cooker, add 1½ cup of dal, wash it well and add 3 cups of water into it. Let it cook for 3 whistles. Let's go with ingredients. Tomatoes, bottle gourd, drumsticks, onions and carrots. And here 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now take a pressure cooker, drop all these vegetables and spices. Add 4 cups of water into it. Let it cook for 2 whistles. Now the dal is ready. Smash this well and keep it aside. Next, make tamarind pulp. And next go with tampering ingredients. Curry leaves, hing, green chillies, dried red chillies, finely chopped garlic, ZEERA and mustard seeds. Let's go with cooking procedure. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add garlic pieces. Saute it well. Next add mustard seeds and ZEERA. And next hing, and curry leaves, green chillies, next add dry red chillies. Fry this for a minute. Now add dal. Mix it well. Next add tamarind juice. Cook it for a few minutes. Now the boiled vegetables also ready. And finally add these vegetables. Now adjust the salt and red chilli powder as per your taste. And add smaller piece of jaggery. And finally add chopped coriander leaves. Now the sambar is ready. If you like my video, please like and comment below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.